Fear fuels chaos. Care builds clarity. Scare to Cares gives leaders a practical, people-first model for digital transformation.
CARES, cares.
Communicate, adapt, relationships, empower, and stay calm. Learn how to replace control and anxiety with trust, steady delivery, and durable results. So change succeeds without burnout. Would you risk everything to keep a promise?
Those are the 5 factors which will help you to deliver your complex transformation successfully.